This is Dr. Paul Fisher with Innovative Nerve and Joint Center, and we're here with Marina. This is going to be a little Spanish from her, or a lot of Spanish from her, and mostly English from me. So we'll make it happen, though. There'll be subtitles down below. But yeah, Marina, if you just introduce yourself and say how things were when you first came in and how you're doing now.
Mi nombre es Marina Calderón.
And how were you when you first came in?
Oh, pues, la primera vez que vine no podía caminar y me sentía muy mal, pero ya después de 4 semanas yo he mejorado bastante porque ya no uso el bastón. Ahí puedo caminar y me puedo levantar sola, lo que no podía antes.
Okay. And I heard too you forgot your cane a few times?
Yeah, many times, always. Always I forgot.
So yeah, it sounds like walking's going a little bit better, huh?
Yeah, it's true.
All right, well that's great. We want to always love hearing that when patients especially start losing canes and walkers and stuff like that. But yeah, would you mind just showing everybody how good you walk now? Because yeah, when you came in, you were holding onto that cane like for dear life. And how are things now?
Oh, I can with the cane? No.
No, without the cane. Yeah, just walk. Yeah, excellent. And then how's the pain, El dolor?
I not pain anymore.
Oh, buenísimo. Yeah, you've definitely been working hard, Marina. What's been the biggest change that you've seen?
Oh, walking with no cane, con no bastón, y me puedo levantar sola. Ya no necesito que me ayuden y que me lleven de la mano, ¿no?
Oh, buenísimo. Well, pero muchas gracias por tu trabajo y excited to see you continue to get better and better.
Oh, yeah.
And maybe my Spanish will get a little better too.
Sí, yo quiero continuarlo.